Hello YouTube. Apologies for not having been here yesterday. I promised daily videos, but I had unexpected visitors and I wasn't home until 10:30 at night and still had to eat dinner. So no video yesterday, but not that much has happened since. Sorry. Slightly sore throat. Let's just take a look at the markets and another beautiful day. This is the third sea of green in a row. Just everything up by between 1 and 6-7%, most of them. Ripple is seeing a magnificent return right here. Back at 31 cents, I think it had fallen all the way to 27 3 days ago, something like that. Significantly back up, and I'm really sorry about the coughing. We can see Bitcoin dominance going down further. Everything seems to be recovering. This might be an early sign of a bull market, and that is what the analysts are saying right now as well. Though, from the articles that I have found and that I will show you in a moment, it seems we need to reach just slightly higher to be relatively sure that this is a bull market and not just a minor correction. Let's look at the first article from CoinDesk. Bitcoin showing signs of life, but we need a break above the key resistance at 6,675. If you look at where we are right now, just about 6,500. We have been slightly higher, so we are getting close, and the trend is looking good, but we need to go a bit higher. Here, it seems safe to say that a bullish trend reversal is in progress and would be confirmed if prices take out 6,675. And that is what we're waiting for right now. Here, the view at the end. Bulls are gaining ground. We need to get above that, and then we could see something nice. There would be more resistances at the 50-day average and the 100-day average. And if it goes below 6,180 again, we might shift below 6,000. Now this article is about, I believe, 12 hours old, maybe a bit older than that. So by now we have not seen it fall under 6,000. We haven't even gotten it close to there. Not even under 6,200. I don't think it's even fallen under 6,300, so everything's looking good. Ethereum has cracked the 300 again. Ripple is safely above 30 cents, and EOS is about to hit $5 again. All these prices are looking fine. Litecoin down here at 7. It's a bit sad to see it this far down, but it can reclaim ground easily if it gets above Stellar and EOS. Stellar and EOS, of course, making better gains than Litecoin right now. Now, another article, crypto bulls fighting back. This is more or less the same thing, but here we have a little news about the high it hit. 6,612. Damn. That got higher than I thought it would. So everything's going back up. CNBC's Brian Kelly, he is their cryptocurrency analyst, is also very optimistic. We can see his sentiment. Where is his actual quote? This is just the CNBC tweet about him. Yeah, he compares it to another similar event in April, where Bitcoin regained a lot of ground right after futures expired. Futures, of course, a scary thing because they can incentivize people to try and keep the price down. Once they expire, the price is a bit more unhinged and can go back up again. He seems to be very optimistic. Nope. Over the last 60 days or so, Bitcoin has been a leader. Ethereum almost 20% up, still holding up. If we get a 10-15% run, it should bring everything else back up. We have seen just about a 10% run already now, so that is very close. We might be looking at the next bull run. Let's see how high it takes us. I personally don't expect to be cracking the 10,000 Bitcoin again in the next couple of weeks, but who knows, I might be completely off. We don't really have a good reason for why the prices are back up, but there is reason to believe that Tether had something to do with it. Because Tether, of course, can manipulate the Bitcoin price because they can, well, they're not printing new Tether, but they can introduce a lot of new Tether into the market at once. And it is believed that they helped Bitcoin go back up by injecting 130 million new Tether into the cryptocurrency market. And these are traded against Bitcoin instantly and can raise the price. So that might be a reason everything is up. And there have been previous instances of Tether manipulating the price. And it's And some people believe that Tether is one of the main reasons that Bitcoin hasn't completely crashed. So thank God for Tether. It's just in this one case. Like, I'm a bit ambivalent towards Tether as a project. I think there's upsides and downsides to it. But if they can save the market a bit, it feels a bit fake. It might be an image issue for the market if more people find out about this. Oh, fuck, I'm telling you people right here. But right now, it's doing good stuff for us. Just to close this video off, because I just want to make a quick update video today. I have way too much stuff to do today, but I just wanted to share the joy, talk about the markets being up with you guys a bit. I mean, we're all benefiting from this right now. Two pieces of good news that show the confidence in Bitcoin. Pantera Capital has raised $71 million for a third crypto fund, so they've already had two, and they've already filed a submission to the SEC. 71 million from 90 investors, so on average just about 800, 900,000. They're probably looking for more. Here it says they're targeting as 175 million. Now this obviously pales in comparison to the entire crypto market or even just the Bitcoin market cap, but it's still an awful lot of money. And seeing this much being invested into crypto right now means that investors are very competent. And these are not small investors. If the average investor or the average investment firm is putting in $1 million or almost $1 million, that means that institutional investors, that means that filthy rich people have a positive outlook. And those are the people that A, have better resources than us, and B, are also often in on some insider information or know how the market is going to be manipulated or attempted to be manipulated soon. So the way I see it, when rich people and capital and institutional investors are flowing in, that is a sign for all of us to also flow in, to be hopeful for the future. And last but not least, a recent poll showed that over 50% of Americans would like to buy Bitcoin. So we are now at the point where it's not just over 50% of Americans knowing what Bitcoin is, but over 50% wanting to buy it. That is a pretty strong reversal to just a couple of years ago when Bitcoin was seen as something very shady. It's mainstream. We can officially say it's mainstream now. It might not be mainstream adopted, but it is in the mainstream consciousness, and that is almost as good. So I'm very excited for what the future will see. I'm coming off a bit of a high because it's just seeing these green days, seeing green markets for, I think it's been 4 days in a row now. And pretty decent gains as well, and across the board. It's like on the worst days, the markets are only going up by like 2%. Let's actually take a look at the market cap right now. 213. I think the last time I made a video a day and a half ago was at 204 million. So it has gained another 4% since then. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I am super hopeful for the future. I'm very energized and excited, and I hope you guys are too. Thanks a lot for watching. Do leave comments with your opinions about the current market climate. Where do you think it's going? Are we in for a new bull market? The last couple of days I was unsure about it, but it's really looking like one is coming now. And I guess we will know for sure tomorrow or the day after. If this continues going, then we're definitely in for another bull market, and I am ready. I mean, I'm sure we all are. Thanks for watching, and I will be back either tonight or tomorrow with another video. Bye.